Today's traffic highlights. Guy revs scooter at intersection. Hit by old man at next light. Just wanted a little bump. Now the boss is mad. People waiting to cross. Guy runs red light with girlfriend. Smashes into delivery driver. Rams him right in front of cop. Why was delivery guy waiting? Finally got a red light. And got beaten up. Old man changes lanes slowly. Car crashes into him. Left old man stunned. You're guilty. Sir, can you drive? Drove into someone's yard. Truck unloading here. Sneaky e-bike follows. Crashes into slow truck. Driver hides under camera. What acting? Scared truck driver. That e-bike isn't yours. You really don't want to pay. Guy waits at crosswalk. E-bike sees big truck. Almost got hit. Almost sent him to meet grandma. You ignore traffic rules. Even e-bike can't stand it. E-bike's got justice. Woman opens gate. Car speeds in. Luckily she's inside. Would have been bad if she wasn't. Girl drives new car. Blue Audi cuts in. Airbag smacks her. Car drove into her. Mercedes on Sichuan-Tibet highway. Ambushed by yak. Yak, you're done. Owner says it's a mommy yak. She was about to give birth. Mercedes won't make it back. Take the bullet train home. White SUV exits highway. Changes lanes over solid line. Sees truck behind. Pulls back fast. Car swerves left. Should speed away. Avoid rear end crash. Carpool didn't react. Rear car can't stop. Dangerous overtake. Carpool turns left. Grandma on e-bike appears. Minor collision. Guy argues with grandma. Grandma rides off while he calls police. Gave him a lesson. Never turn your back on enemies. Watch right side of car. White BYD cuts in. Forces car into other lane. Road rage? Car speeds to overtake. BYD does it again. Tries to cut in again. Gets full blame. XT4 blocks the way. Hits gas instead of brake. Too much enthusiasm? Reverses uphill. Crashes into parked car. Driver's newer than the car. Turns out it's new. Motorcycle changes lanes. No road check. White car misses exit.